Hey Tractor Chasers, we are out in the field with the brand new Claas Jaguar 1200 forage harvester. This monster machine comes in at 1110 horsepower, powered by a 12-cylinder MAN diesel engine. They have increased the throughput of the machine over 20% over a Claas 990 forage harvester. We're going to go out in the field to see this forage harvester in action, and then we're going to get up in the cab with Jim to hear all about operating this new high horsepower machine. After that, we'll head back to the silage pile to watch them packing with their Claas 12590 tractor. Alright guys, I am up in the cab with a new 1200 Jaguar with Jim operating it. How you liking running this so far?
Oh, I'm loving it.
Yeah. And this has got the monster 35-foot head on it, right?
Yes, 14 rows of 30-inch corn.
Yeah, that's amazing. And you've been around these for a little while now, so
yep.
What kind of numbers have you seen, like production-wise?
So, averaging this week, we're seeing the tons an hour anywhere from 475, around averaging 475, but we've seen a good consistent corn jump up to 500 ton an hour, just like right here.
Yeah. That's insane.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. And this is, I mean, you had to really do some great engineering to get 14 rows of corn to feed all in here.
Oh yes. Yeah. This project has been going on in some way, shape, or form since 2016, and a lot of people have put a lot of hard time and effort into creating this beast. So,
yeah. And so you get all over it, and this has got to be kind of neat to run with the California, the short spout on here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely different from the way we do it in New York and the Midwest, but it is nice filling at eye level. I'll give them that.
And so you're a representative for Claas, and
Yep.
what kind of things do you do?
So I'm a Jaguar product specialist for the eastern third of the U.S., so I cover Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania, all the way down to Florida for the most part.
Yeah. So for the farms over there, what do you think some of the bigger features of this will be for them?
Definitely the horsepower and throughput. Throughput is king chopping in the U.S., so
Yeah.
I think that our customers are going to be very pleased with the horsepower, the throughput, as well as the new cab. It's very comfortable with joystick steering. I can kick my steering wheel up out of the way, use my foot pegs. It's almost like sitting in a recliner chair all day.
Yeah. You're just playing a video game now.
That's right. That's right.
For you, what's kind of your favorite feature, your favorite upgrade?
Oh, absolutely the horsepower.
Yeah.
But in addition to that, with that horsepower, you can't be afraid to bring it to its knees. So, introduced last year on the Type 502, carried over to this machine is CMOS Auto Crop Flow. So if my engine RPM drops below a certain point, it'll cut off my head and feed rolls and keep me from plugging the machine.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you really have to be trying if you want to stop this machine.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is amazing corn out here. I'm always surprised by how tall the corn gets in California.
Oh yeah. It's something else. This is 50 ton is what the yield monitor is showing.
Yeah.
50 ton to the acre.
Yeah. They asked me to tell you to lower the head because talk about that, how they chop a little different out here.
Yeah, so in New York and the Midwest, we're chasing forage quality. There's not as much nutrition in the bottom of the stalk, but out this way, we just want tons. We want every ounce of crop we can get for every ounce of water we put into it. So every little bit counts.
Well, this has been awesome. I appreciate you letting me ride along and check out the new 1200.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for coming out to California.
Yeah. I hope you love being out in the field with this brand new Claas Jaguar 1200 forage harvester. If you love seeing farm equipment like this in action, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.